Today we will learn the derivation of no load current and power factor. The question can be expected as derive the expression for no load current and power factor of single phase or three phase transformer. Let the assumptions be I0 as a no load current in ampere, Im magnetizing current in amperes, Ic core loss current in amperes, and cos phi naught as no load power factor. Let us draw the phasor diagram. So here you can see vertical axis is V1 and x axis is flux phi m. The function of Im is to produce flux phi m in the magnetic circuit, and the function of Ic is to meet core loss on no load. On no load current, I0 is vector sum of Ic and Im, that is I0 is equal to square root of Ic square plus Im square. Call this as equation number 1. On no load, input power is equal to V1 I0 cos phi naught, which we can also write it as V1 Ic. Let us see how we got V1 Ic. From the phasor diagram, I can write cos phi naught is equal to Ic by I0. Therefore, Ic is equal to I0 cos phi naught. Therefore, I can write V1 I0 cos phi naught as V1 into Ic. This is the power required to meet only core losses. That is, core loss is equal to V1 Ic. Therefore, I can write core loss component or active component Ic is equal to core loss by V1. Call this as equation number 2. RMS value of Im can be written as RMS of Im is equal to maximum value of Im divided by square root. So this can be written as 1 by root 2 into the bracket maximum value of magnetizing ampere turn whole divided by T1. Next, the same thing can be written as 1 by root 2 into T1 into the bracket ATI plus ATJ, where ATI is the ampere turn in iron and ATJ is the ampere turn in the joints. Again, we can rewrite the above equation as 1 by square root 2 into T1 into the bracket ATI plus 8 lakh BG LGJ into kg. Call this as equation number 3. By substituting equation 2 and 3 in equation 1, we get I0 is equal to square root of core loss by V1 whole square plus into the bracket 1 by root 2 T1 ATI plus 8 lakh BG LGJ kg whole square. Therefore, we can also write from the phasor diagram no load power factor cos phi naught is equal to Ic by I0. This above equation is satisfied for single phase transformer. Similarly, for three phase transformer, we can use the following equation. Everything remains same. The value should be calculated per phase value. Thank you.